Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 deep conditioners. Stay tuned. We're going to get right into my top 5 deep conditioners in no particular order. Let's get started. So first up in my top 5 deep conditioners that I am loving right now, first up is from Love Bold Co. If you've watched my videos before, you've seen some skincare videos from Love Bold Co. and also a hair care video using this product. This is the Slippery Hair Mask. So this is a super moisturizing, extra slippery, easily detangles hair mask. And I'll insert a link with me using this hair mask. It's bomb. So let's talk about the smell. It doesn't really have a smell, which is perfectly fine with me. This is what it looks like. This is my second jar of this hair mask and I absolutely love it. Has a really thick texture, almost like a cream, but it has a ton of slip, super moisturizing. As you can see, I'm trying to put every little bit back into this container because I don't want to waste any of it. But this hair mask is definitely a must-have. Do have a discount code that I'll leave up above and also in the description box below where you can save some coins on this amazing hair mask. Next up, in one of my favorite deep conditioners that I am absolutely loving right now, is from a brand that is definitely not new to my channel, and it is Uncle Funky's Daughter's Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask for natural, chemically treated, or heat styled hair. And this mask is bomb. So let's talk about it. Smell. Has a minty smell. This minty smell also gives your hair a minty tingle, which I absolutely love. Like this mask, and this will also be in one of my product empties videos coming up next, because she's gone. But luckily I do have backups. So definitely recommend Heal and Renew from Uncle Funky's Daughter. So next up in my favorite deep conditioners that I'm absolutely loving right now is from a brand that's kind of new to my channel. Well, no, I've used it about a year ago, but this deep conditioner, it's new and it's bomb. This is the Michele Beauty Indulge Moisturizing Deep Conditioner made with raw honey and babassu oil. This right here is the GOAT. It's like magic. And this will also be in one of my product empties videos coming up, because when I say I used it to the last drop, good to the last drop. And it smells amazing. This deep conditioner, if you have not tried it, if it is not in your stash, sis or bruh, what are you waiting for? Definitely gotta get this. And I'll also leave my discount code where you can save some coins on this product as well, up above and in the description box below. Like, I'm just tongue twisted when I talk about this deep conditioner because it is just that bomb. If you've used this before, let me know in the comment section below. Is it just me, or is this stuff like crack? Like, it's real. It's real. Next up in my favorite, or my top 5 deep conditioners that I'm absolutely loving right now, is from a brand that is near and dear to my heart. It's none other than TGIN. So first of all, there are 2 TGIN, 3 TGIN deep conditioners that I absolutely love. 2 from the Miracle Repair line. So this one is the Miracle Repair Deep Hydrating Hair Mask. Also the CPR one is bomb. And we already know that that Honey Miracle Mask, which I believe is coming out in a jumbo size real soon. Bomb, 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 bomb. Love TGIN deep conditioners and hair masks. Of course, they all smell amazing. They are all super moisturizing. This is my second jar of this one, so this one is completely filled and I cannot wait to dig into it. So this hair mask is made with black castor oil, which is amazing, biotin, which is amazing, great products or great ingredients for a great product. If you have not tried this, definitely need to get your hands on it. And last but certainly not least, in my top 5 deep conditioners that I'm absolutely loving right now is from none other than CAMILLE Rose Naturals. This is the Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask made with cocoa and mango butter. This is also the GOAT. If you know anything about CAMILLE Rose products, I say this all the time. Their products are super duper moisturizing, and this mask doesn't fall short of that. Love the smell, and she's empty. Completely gone. Absolutely love this deep conditioning hair mask. Definitely want to check it out. So deep conditioning is definitely one of my favorite parts of wash day. I deep condition my hair every time I wash my hair, and my wash day is weekly. So every week I am deep conditioning my hair. Because I have low porosity hair, I also add heat to my deep conditioning. So I section my hair into 4 sections. I apply the deep conditioner, I detangle my hair, I twist it up, and then I put a cap on my head, and I'll either sit under my steamer, under my hooded dryer, or under one of my steam caps. I always add heat when I am using deep conditioner. It just helps the deep conditioner to penetrate into your strands. When you rinse it out, your hair feels amazing. So make sure you're adding heat if you're low porosity, and even if you're not, adding that heat will just add an extra element to your deep conditioner. So try it out. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know what are your favorite deep conditioners that you're using right now. If you saw some of your faves in this video, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and stay tuned for my top 5 shampoo video that's coming up next.